Our top story this hour, a man from the northeast who worked for a BPO company was beaten to death in South Delhi late last night. Shaloni, the victim, who was in his late 20s, was from Manipur. He was allegedly beaten up by a group of locals in a car in the Kotla area of South Delhi around 2:30 at night. The police took him to AIIMS, where he was declared brought dead. A murder case has been registered and some suspects have been identified.
कल सलोनी दोस्त के साथ बाहर से वापस आया था तो रास्ते पे ऐसा एक अल्टो कार से 5 बंदे उतर के पिटाई शुरू हो गया। तो उसके बाद पुलिस बुलाया, पुलिस आया तो पुलिस हॉस्पिटल लेके गया। उसके बाद डेथ डिक्लेयर हो गया। कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होगा या कुछ जो उसके साथ में था वो लोग बोल रहे थे कि कुछ झगड़ा वगैरह कुछ नहीं हुआ, ऐसे आया, हथियार नहीं है, हाथ पैर से मारा।
And tracking that story for us is my colleague Bhairavi Singh, who now joins us from the capital. Bhairavi, what are the various angles that the police are looking at the moment?
Neha, the motive of this crime has not been identified yet. However, what we know is that the crucial evidence of this case is in a CCTV camera right in front of where the crime actually happened. So that CCTV footage has been taken by the police, and this will be a crucial evidence in getting together what exactly happened. Now, we do know that some suspects have been identified at the moment. However, nobody has been arrested. A case of murder has also been registered as of now. Also, what we're hearing is that a bunch of 5 or 6 boys in an Alto car were of course here at the moment when this happened. This boy was walking. He doesn't live here. He'd come to meet somebody here, and it was at 2:30 a.m. that this happened. So there are no eyewitnesses as such. The police are not giving out any more information at the moment, except that he was working with the BPO. He was in his late 20s and had come to meet someone here. What we also, of course, know is that suspects have been identified, but no arrests. Now, what they're doing at the moment is they're going through the CCTV footage. There is crucial evidence at the location as well. There are blood spots and so on. We've been talking to people here who say they don't exactly know this boy because it was very late in the night and he doesn't stay here. Also, the person who he'd come to meet has not yet been found. He lives in this area, but we don't have any, the police so far has not been able to trace him. So once we know more about that, we'll know, of course, we'll be able to piece this together, and so will the police. So we're also hoping to hear officially from the police about more details about the suspects in the next few hours, Neha.
Right, Bhairavi, thanks very much for bringing us those details. We will continue to track that story closely with you.